Thinking of building your dream home? The question of whether you need an architect to design your home might be on your mind. Let's explore the factors to consider and whether an architect's services are necessary. The short answer is no. Home designers, architects and interior designers can indeed enhance the final product, but their services may not always be necessary, especially if your home builder already has an experienced in-house team. If you already have a relationship with an architect or a home designer who understands your style and can effectively translate your ideas, that's absolutely fine. Your builder shouldn't have no issue working with your chosen architect. However, it's essential to keep an eye on the bottom line. Working exclusively with a home builder during the planning stages can save you money on drafting, plans and revisions. While architects and designers can bring significant value to your custom home, they may focus solely on the concept and design without fully considering its impact on your budget. That's where working with your builder on your custom home becomes advantageous. A builder acting as both designer and contractor is well positioned to keep an eye on the costs. Builders have extensive knowledge of designing and materials that align with the budget, ensuring your dream home remains financially feasible. Your builder should be capable of guiding you towards a custom design that perfectly fits your plan's personality and budget. So whether you choose to work with an architect or your builder's in-house team, the goal remains the same: to create a home that reflects your vision and meets your needs. Trust in the expertise of your builder and rest assured that their focus on cost efficiency will help you achieve your dream home without unnecessary expenses. Remember, it's your vision, your home, and your builder is here to make it a reality.